Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, and I'm pleased to introduce our EV pilot vehicle for patrol use. It's no surprise that the Atlanta Police Department reached out to T-Sportline to talk about upfitting and customizing Teslas for their usage. We're honored to do that and happy to custom build bespoke vehicles for them. T-Sportline is not new to customizing and building Teslas. Since 2013, we've been exclusively focused on customizing, upfitting, and making products for Teslas. Beyond that, I started my career way back as the chief engineer of performance products at the largest tier 1 upfitter out there. Then I went on to be on the board of directors for the largest bailment upfit company that does pickup trucks. And my partner is the co-founder of Bespoke, a company that upfits and customizes Sprinter vans. So we know something about how to make custom Teslas for you. First, let's start with the basics. Thanks to T-Sportline's long-standing personal relationships with Tesla leadership, we can connect your fleet management team directly to the people in Tesla's fleet and business division. This is going to streamline your procurement of vehicles, and then in the fleet and business program, Tesla provides access to the APIs for the vehicles in your fleet and will allow you to monitor the data from the vehicles. This is going to help minimize downtime, optimize schedule for service, and optimize charging plans. Next, we understand that specialty vehicle buyers are going to have a unique prescription for exactly what they need and expect out of the vehicle from an equipment and usage perspective. We start with onboarding and discovery. Our team meets with yours. We learn about how you're going to use the vehicle, what you expect from it, and what kind of equipment you need. This is how we define a bespoke vehicle, which means custom built for you. Now, from there, we have relationships. We're authorized installers, we're dealers for all of the major companies that make patrol equipment for vehicles. So anything that's in the marketplace, we have access to. We have familiarity with installing it and putting it on the vehicle. Beyond that, we can fabricate anything. So if it's not in the market, we can make it. We spend every day making custom products for Teslas. Every day we're trying to integrate into the OEM architecture, whether it's mechanical or electrical. So our expertise is there for you to ensure that you get a quality product, and you have people like us that are experts in the space and will stand behind it and make sure it works for you. Okay, let's look at this Atlanta build. This is our most basic build for a Model Y. Starting with the wheels, T-Sportline is the only one to have a proper alloy steel police spec wheel for the Teslas. We make those specifically for Model 3, Model Y. It's a bolt-on fitment, fits perfect for this, great for police use. You're gonna notice the vehicle is lifted. We have a 2-inch lift kit on this. We have underbody skid plates, just a little bit of extra protection for some of those terrains where police may get into a situation. They don't need this thing to be super low to the ground. We offer optional suspension upgrades and brake upgrades depending on the needs of the municipality. Looking at lighting, first, up front, we have our light bar, and we can outfit that with whatever kind of lighting is needed for the municipality. Optionally, we can put a full push bar in the front or the rear. Up here, we have fixed ditch lights. These are spotlights. This is the basic option. We can put full articulating Weston lights in the fenders, depends on what you need. And then of course up top, we have the standard emergency strobe light, easy integrated into the Tesla electronics. Let's move inside next. Now, this one is set up with just the basics. We've got an articulating laptop stand, and then we have the smart center screen in the middle of the Tesla steering column. We can set this up with any partition or any console, whatever is in the market, or if we have to make it custom and bespoke, you tell us and we'll provide it. And finally, our in-house wrap team is fully capable of designing, creating, and installing whatever graphics package is needed for you. What makes us unique in the EV upfitting space? While we're Tesla experts and we're happy to provide Teslas, our sister companies, EV Sportline and Team 1 EV, are Rivian and F-150 Lightning experts. We've been doing the same thing since those platforms launched. Not only that, but our overlanding and off-roading experience in both of those truck platforms makes a great springboard for us to talk to you about search and rescue and emergency response. Whatever you guys need, we've got the experience, we're here, and we're ready for you. We have build facilities in both Los Angeles and Atlanta, Georgia, so we can work regionally, whichever one is closest to your fleet. I look forward to meeting you and learning about your ideas. Let T-Sportline take your ideas and turn them into reality. All right, everybody, check out patrolev.com or go to tsportline.com/patrol, and you can learn more about how to contact us.